Can you create a PayPal account under 18? In this tutorial, we're going to see if you are able to create a PayPal account if you are under the age of 18. So the first thing you want to know here is open up PayPal, and if you are under the age of 18, there is no direct way for you to create an account because PayPal requires you to be 18 years or older in order to be able to create an account and operate with the account. So let me just quickly log in here with my account to show you guys. Here it clearly says that it is against PayPal's user agreement for anyone under 18 to create an account. This is because a minor cannot legally enter into a contract, which is required to PayPal services. So if PayPal discovers an underage users, the account may be closed and any funds may be held for an extended period. So the first thing you can do is use your parents' or guardian's account. This is the only acceptable method for a minor to use PayPal. And if so for that, a parent or a legal guardian must open PayPal account using their personal information, including their name, email, as well as date of birth. So the parent and guardian must link it with their own bank account or cards to PayPal account, and they need to provide the minor with the permission to use the account. The adult is legally responsible for all transactions made throughout the account. The other thing you can do is obviously wait until you're 18 until you can legally create your own PayPal account. So in order to create your account, you could just go ahead and ask for your guardian or someone that you know to use their information to create an account, and they must give you the permission to use that account. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.